really making sure you keep that big picture in mind about how the whole property is running, right? Because when you're a maintenance tech, you just keep your head down and you do work orders, right? You just bang out work orders. All right, what's next? Let's get it. What's next? Let's get it. But at the service manager level, it's not just doing tickets. You got to worry about the cost of getting that work order done. You have to worry about other people, managing these other people and seeing the bigger picture that, hey, where whatever your goal is on that property as far as occupancy and uh, gross potential rent, like that's the bigger goal here. Yes, we're running a maintenance department, but we need to keep the bigger picture. So those were two challenges that I would say, yeah, definitely had to get over and conquer. I think that we just have to really think outside of the box on how we find people now, right? Because there's lots of competition. I won't get into that part too much, but there's lots of competition for skilled workers everywhere, from warehouses to hospitality. Texas, we got the oil and gas industry. Yeah, they're pulling left and right. But I think that getting people early, right? Everybody ain't going to college. I mean, the math just doesn't math. Like everybody shouldn't go to college. So, and you don't really need to if you don't want to, especially in this age. So, going to high schools, picking up, just fresh talent that they don't even know how to turn a screwdriver from left to right and training them in house. I think that's a really good avenue to go. Also, giving people second chances. There's a whole market of people that maybe they got in trouble early in their life, and has hindered them a little bit. Of course, you stay away from the nonviolent stuff, but yeah, if somebody had a bad thing happen to them, or they did something bad, that was nonviolent 5 or 6 years ago, why not give that person another chance? I think that those are two avenues to kind of go through to find new people. It's all about relationships. A lot of people, they renew their lease based on, man, I got a great maintenance team here. That Jerry guy, I love that Jerry guy. If I call him, he takes care of me. I've known the manager for 5 years. I really enjoy being with this manager. People leave apartments because of crappy maintenance. They leave apartments because maybe the manager puts a bunch of fees on them that they don't necessarily need. So I don't think the gig economy would work for that reason, because the most successful companies, they have long-term employees, they have long-term maintenance teams. People feel, because you're entering somebody's home, there's a level of comfort and trust needed to go into somebody's home. With digital devices and digital software, you just load up your phone or your digital device and bam, you got your work order within seconds. You can clock in, do your work, fill out whatever you did, close the work order, and boom, the manager knows the moment you close it, okay, Jimmy's done with that work order. So, I mean, so many areas, prop tech, utilities. If you're paying your own utility bills, I know at Dominium, we pay most of our water bills. So even the residents' water bill, so what we do is we install smart meters on everybody's in. So going into everybody's apartment, there's a smart meter. And this smart meter will tell us if there's a leak. With AI, I think it will help revolutionize finding parts, researching a topic, researching a brand. Maybe you got a little weird mini split and it's got 3 control boards and you have no idea. You can just pop in and Copilot. Hey, I'm having trouble with this Fujitsu mini split. Model number, blah, 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 blah. Tell me about it. And boom, you get tons of information about this mini split from multiple sources. I mean, yeah, I think AI will be awesome. Also, identifying patterns. These companies, Yardi, One Site, Entrada, all these big property management companies, they're just getting started. But the analytics side that AI will be able to provide will just help you a lot. Worker efficiency, all right? Man, one guy takes 35 minutes to change out his garbage disposal, but this other guy takes 7. Why is he doing it faster than this guy? Where's the disconnect? Is this 7-minute guy skipping over steps? Is the 30-minute guy, playing on his phone for 20 minutes? It'll help with those kind of analytics. How much, money does it cost per unit per year? Projecting, uh, budgeting. I think AI will be help out predicting patterns in appliances.